So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually format your Redline decoder to actually get a newer settings on your decoder. So maybe the channels are messed up, or you are trying to actually rescan your decoder to get some newer channels on it. All you got to do is to pick up your remote and press on the menu button on your remote. So on the menu page, use the arrow keys to navigate through the settings, and then you put it on settings. That's the last option over here. You press OK on it, and here you look through the options. You put it on factory reset and you press OK on it. So here is going to request for the default password of your decoder. If no one have ever changed it, it's supposed to be 40. So you press on the 0 button 4 times, 0 0 0 0, and it's going to open up. If it doesn't open up and someone have ever used the decoder before, you just ask for the password. Maybe the person changed it over there. So here you can select delete all channels if you want to scan back to get a newer channels on it, or you just want to get free or new channels by resetting it to default and then doing the necessary settings in the antenna settings or the satellite settings page. All you got to do is to press on the reset or restore all, and then you wait for it to actually format your decoder and you're good to go. So here everything is fresh. There is no channel on your decoder, whether a satellite or antenna channels. There is nothing on your decoder. So the next thing that you have to do, if you are to proceed to scan to get your channels, all you got to do is to come to the menu once again. You press on the menu button, and then on this page you come to the installation. You press OK on it, and here we have the antenna settings. That's where if you are having an FTA signal from a satellite, let's say multi TV, my TV, or any FTA channels that you are having, you have to do the settings over here. But I'm having signal from an antenna option, which means whenever you are having a signal from your antenna pole and you reset to factory default, all you got to do is to come to the DVB-T. That's for the terrestrial settings. You press click on it, and here you select this frequency, which is 4H2, or you can go ahead just to press on the blue button on your remote to perform auto search. Since you're having a stable signal from your antenna pole, all you got to do is to select the auto search, and then you press OK to proceed, and then you wait for it to actually complete scanning for you to get access to the channel that will come along on it. So that's it. If this video has been helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.